Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Seer. We're currently trading at 33.75 here in after hours. We're down around almost 4.5% from yesterday's close. Now you can see here in October, we made a nice little cup here, and we thought we might have a little confirmation of a handle up here at these 38.2s. But no, the last week and a half just straight down. Now that's not really a large pullback number wise, but when you're talking about a $38 stock and it pulls back $5, that's a pretty decent size pullback. And you see we pulled back in the last week and a half or so, and we're basically right around this $34 area, and that's basically where your 23.6 fib level is. You can see that's a dotted line right there. You can see there's a lot of action that happened right around that area, so we're kind of back on support right now. That whole area, we're currently at 33.75. I know we're below it, but that's really that whole area right in here, your mid 33s to that 34, that's going to be a decent area in here for support. Now below that, what are we looking at? Well, it is going to be the low in here right around those 31s. That came in on, what was that, Thursday, October 14th. So about mid-October, we printed some lows in here right around the 31s. And then below that, it is going to be down here at the 29s. But really, we're looking at big whole numbers in here as we're working our way down. And really, 30 is going to be the big psychological level in here to be aware of. Now, resistance-wise, obviously, we are below the 34, so that is going to be a key resistance for us, even though we're kind of right on that whole support area in between the 33.50s and that 34 mark. But anyway, we'll just say 34 first resistance. Next up is going to be the 9-day EMA, currently trading at 35.31. Above that, the 50-day moving average at 36.24. And then above that, it is going to be the high that printed in here on the last day of October in here. That high came in right around 38.83. Really, the mid 38s is where that fib level is, 38.2. That is going to be our next resistance in there. So that in doing so, when we do a little consolidation here right around these 23.6s, by the time we get back up to that 38.2, this 200-day moving average should be coming down to us in here, and it should basically meet. So basically, it's more or less whichever one of these do come first, at 38.2 or the 200-day moving average, but they should basically, by the time we get back up there, should be trading right with each other, I would assume. Now, IV rank in here is at 55, so large IV, you have right around basically 120 to around 110 of raw IV in all your expiration cycles. There's only monthlies in here because we have such low volume. It looks like everybody's pricing in right around a $4.32 expected move by your November monthlies. And if you go out to December, everybody's pricing in right around 630. If you go out to your January 21st expiration cycle, looks like everybody's pricing in right around an $8 expected move, and that's 72 days out. So large IV in here, nice little pullback in here to play with. Obviously, is going to bring that that IV. RSI is being reset as we speak. So maybe sitting on this that's 23.6 fib level here might give us a little bit more consolidation, kind of reset everything, and then we can start going and working our way back up to that 38.2s. If not, then we're going to be looking down here right at the 31s, the 30s, and the 29 levels in here for big support. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached the links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.